The TunTenDo lawnmower lift jack gives riding mowers and garden tractors a stable, elevated platform that makes blade changes and undercarriage cleaning far safer and more controlled than improvised ramps or blocks. Its rated lifting capacity of 882 pounds means it can comfortably handle most residential and many heavier garden machines without feeling strained. The telescoping design and adjustable angle let you dial in just the right height and tilt so you can reach belts, blades, and deck hardware without crawling awkwardly on the ground. You can raise and lower the lift using either the manual handle or a compatible power tool, which makes operation surprisingly quick and low effort even for larger equipment. Heavy gauge steel construction and a thick red powder-coated finish give the jack a reassuringly solid feel and strong resistance to rust and outdoor wear. Overall, this lift jack turns routine mower maintenance into a more efficient, safer, and less backbreaking task for anyone who regularly services their own equipment.